This video is sponsored by the brand Tribesigns.
So you got the entryway table from Tribesigns, and in this video, I'm gonna go over some of the top questions I was seeing and answer those for you. The first one is just the assembly. So I just assembled it. It took me about 20 minutes to do. It could not be easier. All there is really three pieces to it. You gotta connect this metal part, which is just 4 bolts, I think, or maybe 6. It was very, very easy. You put the bottom on, put the top on, and you're good to go. It took me about 20 minutes. If you got somebody helping you, I bet you can get this thing done in 10 minutes. Another question I was seeing is, does it come with a tip kit? It does come with a tip kit, so if you are going to put a whole bunch of stuff on here, or maybe more expensive things, you can attach it to your wall so it is as secure as possible. But overall, I love this. It can hold up to 100 pounds. And right now, I just have it in my bedroom with some picture frames on it, plants. I'm going to add some more stuff down here, decorate it a little more. But I think this could be like a really, really cool TV stand. Like I said, you can attach it to your wall so it can hold a whole TV on there. It can hold up to 100 pounds. But I think it'd be like a modern, sleek looking TV stand. TV up here, your different console stuff down here. But overall, I'm super happy with this look. It was easy to put together. I think it looks great just as pictured. So very happy with it. 2 thumbs up.